Section 5.1, example 8. Finding the x-intercepts of a parabola. Find the x-intercepts of the quadratic function f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 4. X-intercepts happen when x is equal to 0 or when y is equal to 0. So it's going to be when y is equal to 0 because we're looking for x. So x-intercepts happen when y is equal to 0. So we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 4 equals 0. And at this point, we could go back to, I believe it was chapter 2, maybe chapter 3, where we learned how to solve for quadratics. Because that's all this is. We could just solve this as if we were in that chapter, and we will come up with the right solutions. I see that each of these are divisible by 2, so maybe we could actually just factor them as is. So let's divide both sides by 2, leaving us with x squared plus 2x minus 2 equals 0. And right off the back, I don't think we have anything that would factor. So two numbers that multiply to -2 but add to a +2. I personally don't see anything. So next step is going to be to use our quadratic formula just to see if we have any solutions. Let's see. X is equal to -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So -b, that's going to be a -2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4, 1 times -2. And we're dividing all of that by 2 times 1. -2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared is 4 plus 8 all over 2. All right, let's see. -2 plus or minus here, 4 plus 8 is 12 divided by 2. And it doesn't look like we have a nice solution, but we are able, just because we have this square root right here, it's not an even root. But we do actually have solutions here. So let's simplify this part. So I know that in there, that's going to be 4 times 3. And we could take the square root of 4. So we could factor out that. That would be a 2. 2 square root of 3 over 2. And now we could separate these two. So -2 divided by 2, 2 root 3 divided by 2. And then that would simplify that part. Plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. So that leaves us with -1 plus or minus root 3. We could just leave it like that or say that we have our two solutions. X is equal to -1 plus root 3 and also -1 minus root 3, giving us two x-intercepts. So when x is -1 plus root 3, y is 0. And when x is -1 minus root 3, comma 0, or y is 0. And there we go. That's our solution. Those are our two intercepts of our quadratic function that we were given. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.